Hey guys, in the storm right now, and it looks like rain's actually turning into snow. This is so weird. It hailed like not even that long ago. Wow. Weird weather. I didn't know it was snowing yet. Look. Look, it is snowing. Oh my god. How weird. It's snowing. Look at all the ice. This is ice. This is hail that fell today. Yeah, that's hail. That's hail we got. Yeah, I'm going inside because I'm only in a tank top and it's pretty chilly out here. Oh, yeah, it's very freaking cold. And it's snowing right now, and after we had a thunderstorm, I don't even remember having a thunderstorm and then snow. I don't even remember ever having a thunderstorm and then snow. In a while, at least. I don't even remember the last time we've had something like that. It's very bizarre. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I said you couldn't make a quick video here showing some of this, and see you guys later.